Just raise your arms, palm up, lift your toes, toes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now hold this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Now arms down and come into the chair pose. Now hold this chair pose. Keep your spine straight. Hand back side. Hip down and hold. Feel the strength on your thigh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come straight. You can repeat this 2 to 3 times. After that, again straight hand and shift your right leg back side. As far as you can, straight. Lower the hips, look up and hold. 1, 2, you can join the hands. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14 and 15. Come straight. Come up. Keep your hands up. Shift the other leg. Back side. Lower the hip and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 14, 15. Come straight. Come up. Arms down. Relax. Rest for some time. Then after that we will again do the same sequence for thighs. We are doing the leg strength for the leg first, then we will come for the upper. So again, shift your left leg back side, right leg in front, open your arms, knee bend, look at the right hand and hold. 1, this is warrior 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, feel the nice stretch and strength there. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Come straight, turn the toe, turn opposite toe and bend the knee. Look at the left hand, middle finger. 1, calm your breath, focus on your breath. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come straight, turn the toe, relax your arms and come with jump or one by one. Okay. Now open your legs, straight for the inner thighs. These all poses you can repeat 2 to 3 times. Just learn the sequence to the video and then practice daily on your own. Okay. So turn the toe and then open your knee, outside, outside, lower the hips, lower the hips, lower the hips until your thigh become parallel to the ground. Hand on waist or you can join here and hold this. You can also move this or you can hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Come up, turn the toe, relax. So this was Goddess Pose और कालियासन. माँ काली के नाम पर इस आसन का नाम पड़ा है. तो अगेन इसको भी आप 2 से 3 बार रिपीट कर सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट इसमें आपके सारे लोअर बॉडी की स्ट्रेंथ कवर हो जाएगी. ओके. देन कम्स टू कोर एंड आर्म्स. So first bend down, shift your leg back side and hold this posture and test the strength of your arms. At least hold this for 15 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Come up into this Dandasana. 1, lean your body forward, shift your weight on the core, lower your hips slightly, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Lower the hip. Do not touch the ground and hold this here. Make a strength with your pelvis, spine, arms, wrist, everything. Push the ground slightly and move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Knee on the ground and relax for some time. So this is the sequence, okay, for the arms strength. You can hold this Virabhadrasana mountain pose, you can hold Dandasana or Plough Pose, or you can hold this is Utkatasana. You can also flex it if you are comfortable enough, but do not touch the ground. Straight arch is fine. Okay. So you can also repeat this sequence. Now come again on the floor. Okay. So the way it begins, बिल्कुल भी योगा नहीं किया आपको, हाथ रखना है पीछे, एक लेग स्ट्रेट करना है, होल्ड करना है, फिर दूसरा करना है, होल्ड करना है, और फिर गोल्स. You can bend the knee and give the support if you want. Otherwise, you can hold this to the straight hand. थोड़ा सा डिस्टेंस रखेंगे बॉडी और लेग के बीच में. होल्ड 1, 2 toe relax, 3 chin up, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Relax. Rest here. So you can repeat this pose also. Just learn the sequence. This video is for sequence. अगर आप strength करते हैं योगा में तो what type of sequence you should adopt to cover the complete body. Okay. Now I will do Bhujangasana. So measure the distance, leg in hand. The finger should be in contact with the hip, and then arms down. Inhale and push the ground through the heel and lift up your buttocks and hold. So here the strength of your inner thigh and glutes and pelvis and back. Hold this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Rest. Do 2 to 3 deep breathing, then hold your leg. Rest here also. After rest, straight the leg. Okay. Some of you may not be able to straight the leg. You will here or here. But try. Literally try. Straight the leg, pull the toe and hold. This will take all the strength of your back and posture. One postural strength इतनी आपको भी दिखा देगा ये आसन. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Just hold the legs and relax. Okay. So now the very most difficult asana of this video, heart pillar pose. So there is Navasana. This will test the strength of your complete body, including the internal muscles, organs की जो muscles होती है, cardiac muscles होती है, everything. So learn this. This is heart pillar pose. This is very good for heart. हिंदी में release Navasana. So straight leg, straight arms. Engage the core. Push your spine on the ground. Lift up your upper body. आपको पूर्ण ऊपर सीलिंग की तरफ देखना है. Then lift up your legs and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower the legs and hold. If you can hold this for 10 seconds, this is very nice movement. Okay. So I am holding less because I am speaking here. You can also repeat this asana. Every asana you can repeat at least 3 times. Okay. Now lie on your back. So let's come to the spinal strength. Okay. So first come the Salabhasana and you will do Ardha Halasana first. So right hand back side on the back and straight your left leg, right leg and left hand. Lift up with inhalation and hold this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and lower the leg. Change the hand. Lift up the other leg and inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Now, if you are comfortable here, then only practice with both the hands and leg. Otherwise, no. Okay. And lift up both the hands and leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now directly आपको counter pose perform करना है. And you can also do Paschimottanasan or Dandasana. Relaxing. Okay. So after all these asana, you should perform this one. This is Paschimottanasan. If you are not comfortable with this, then practice Dandasana with both the legs. So this is the very short video for this strength. और इतनी स्ट्रेंथ हर व्यक्ति में होनी चाहिए. मेरी पर्पस है इस वीडियो को बनाने का. तो प्रैक्टिस देंगे.